What's up, Breeze Heat family? We are back with another video. This week we're going to be going in with some Rasta pasta and some jerk chicken. Yes, it is so yummy. But we're going to go ahead and get started. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Share this with a few people that you would like to see try this. And if you do try it, go ahead and mention me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram link below so you guys can follow me. But we'll go ahead and get started with our prep. We're taking a yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, as well as a red bell pepper, and we're going to chop them. I just did slices, honestly. If you're somebody who likes dice, you can do it. If you want to, like, do your slices in half, you can do it, whatever. But these are the ingredients you need. Make them however you want, see fit, whatever you need to do. I did about, I would say, half of a bell pepper of each one. This recipe, I would say, honestly, feeds 3. You can do comfortably 3 with a little bit of leftovers as well. So go ahead and chop those up. We are going to be using some green onion, but that's just going to be a garnish for this side later. So you can go ahead and chop up 1 green onion just to be able to garnish it later, so you don't have to bring out your knives and stuff back out. This is a yellow onion I'm going in with, chopping it, just kind of making the pieces pretty symmetrical to the bell pepper pieces so they can all cook at the same time. After you finish with your prep work, you're going to go ahead and prep your chicken. I cleaned it with some vinegar and some lemons. But next, I'm just going to go ahead and take all of these like fat pieces off and clean them. It just gives a better presentation, in my opinion. So once you finish with that, go ahead and season it with some jerk seasoning. I use Island Spice jerk seasoning. I got it from Jamaican once, and I've just been ordering it ever since. It is my favorite because it does have the pimento beans in there. I said pimento beans. Lord. So it does have the pimento in there, which I personally am a fan of. Next, I went in with 3 to 4 scoops of Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. Now, you can either do this on spicy or you want to use the mild one. They got a few of them. That's up to you, but you're going to go ahead and let that marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour, just so those seasonings can get well incorporated. Once it's been marinated for a little while in a pan with some olive oil and some butter, you're going to go ahead and cook your chicken. I said I cooked it probably on like 4 to 5 minutes for each side, just kind of flipping it in between. And once my chicken was done, I took that out, and in the same pan, I went back in with my bell peppers. And as always, if you need to see when your chicken is done, you can always take the temperature of it. But yes, back to this. We went in with probably 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. I also took some of the pasta water that my noodles were cooking in, and that's going to help your sauce thicken up as well. Once you mix it around a little bit, you're going to let the sauce kind of come to a boil almost, and you'll see it starting to thicken up. Just like this. So once it's at this point, I went ahead and mixed it around. I mixed it around just because I don't want it to stick to the bottom, or don't want to know like kind of what's going on with my pan. It kind of gives you an idea of what you got going on. But next, I seasoned it with some Island Spice, some garlic salt, garlic powder, threw in some mozzarella cheese in there as well, just to help it thicken a little bit. And I like to just let my cheese sit there for like 2 minutes before I mix it up. I feel like it gives it more time to melt. You can mix it right in. I'm pretty sure it's going to do the exact same thing. Don't worry about it. And you know you got a good sauce when you can run your finger right through that middle, and you see it did not close up, y'all. So once you got that consistency on your sauce, run your finger across the back, add in your noodles, mix your noodles around. But for real, y'all, if you're not doing this in no big pan, add your sauce to the noodles in the pot that you made the noodles in. Because here y'all go, y'all see I had to switch it around because it just was not giving what I needed it to give at all. But yeah, y'all, this is a pretty simple, easy recipe that honestly goes down in the books as one of my faves. I love me some spicy jerk chicken. I love me some pasta. And this is just the beauty of both worlds right here. So there you have it, your Rasta pasta jerk chicken. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, dig in, let's have a taste. And we already know it's fire because y'all know I got that heat. Thank you again, Breeze Heat family. I'll see y'all again on the next recipe. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe with whoever you would like. See y'all next.